Sing like a bird, exploring the beauty of this English expression. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, sing like a bird. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a beautiful layer to your English comprehension and expression. So, let's get started and unfold the layers of this picturesque phrase. In this section, we'll explore what the phrase, sing like a bird, actually means. At its core, this expression is used to describe someone's singing ability. When we say someone can sing like a bird, we're comparing their voice to the melodious and sweet sounds of birds. This comparison implies that the person has a natural, effortless, and beautiful singing voice, much like the delightful chirping we hear from birds. Now, let's delve into why birds are used in this analogy. Birds, across many cultures, symbolize freedom, beauty, and grace. Their songs are often associated with peace, joy, and harmony. By saying someone can sing like a bird, we're not just commenting on their technical skill, we're also invoking these positive and uplifting associations. This phrase is as much about the emotional impact of their singing as it is about the sound itself. In everyday English, sing like a bird is often used as a compliment. It's a way to praise someone's singing in a poetic and vivid manner. For example, if you hear a friend sing beautifully, you might say, "Wow, you really can sing like a bird." It's a phrase that adds color and imagery to our language, making the compliment more memorable and striking. I hope this exploration of the phrase, sing like a bird, has been enlightening and enjoyable. This expression is a beautiful example of how language can paint pictures and convey emotions beyond just literal meanings. Keep listening and practicing, and maybe one day, you'll be described as someone who can sing like a bird too. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.